Burberry, known for its iconic check pattern. But did you guys know that it was designed to protect people from the British weather? Hi, my loves y amores. Today, we're reviewing the mini Lola bag, and I'm gonna let you know, is it worth it or is it not? This is the box that she comes in. I love this new color, and this is the pouch. Oh, I love this lime green. Now let's take her out.
Want to see more luxury reviews? Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look how beautiful she is. Do you guys see this B interlocked with the T? That actually stands for Thomas Burberry, who founded Burberry in 1856. Well, 162 years later, we have Peter Savell, who joined the Burberry team, and he has designed for Adidas, Calvin Klein, and many other brands. He wanted to revamp the entire line of Burberry, and they wanted to make everything much more fresh, but also keep to its vintage charm. And you can clearly see it. You see it in this entire purse. You see the black and gold clasp. Look at the way that it opens. You see it in the pattern check, and you see it in this beautiful golden chain strap. So in this design, there's actually two sizes. This is the mini and there's a small, but for being the mini, it actually holds quite a lot. This is the way that she opens, and let me show you everything I have inside. I have my wallet. I always recommend to get flat wallets like this because it can hold a lot more, and they're perfect for mini and small purses. I also have my Chanel mirror. It's flat as well too. I have my flower nose blush, and I have a mini serum. And this is why I always say keep your minis. A lot of times people ask, what do I do with all these samples? Keep them because they're perfect for these type of purses. Now this is the inside, and you have that fabric material, and then you have a little pocket. And see, as we put everything back inside, it's pretty roomy. You could even fit a couple more things. You could put a cell phone here and it would still hold up all of your things really nicely. What I really love about this bag is the chain. You can actually wear it in multiple ways. You can put it over your shoulder, you can put it over your chest, you can wear it in your hands. I love the multiple ways that you can wear it. Cons. This is made out of wool, and this wool blend is causing these little rips. Do you guys see this? It's this piling. Look at the way that it's coming up on the front. It also is on the top, and then when I turn her over, I also see it here. And also too, on the inside, there's piling. It almost looks like it's ripping. And I feel that if it would have been made of a different material, we wouldn't have been able to see this. And this is something that just isn't good. It makes the bag look much more used than what it truly is. The pocket. To me, these are terribly made. How many of us really use these pockets? Let me know in the comments below. With these type of bags, do you guys end up using these pockets? I don't, but I would love to find out. What I would have preferred is if there would have been a pocket here in the front. I would have even taken it if there would have been a pocket or some type of zipper here in the middle to split the compartments, or even a pocket here in the back. But every time in these bags, when they put it back here, I just have trouble using it, and I do feel like it takes up a lot of unnecessary space. Price. This bag is currently going for $1,790, and the
I also found the bag on Saks.com for a much lower price, so if you are interested, go check it out. Plus, there's a code on there for free shipping.
And the small is already in the 2000s. I believe that with this material, it just isn't worth it. What do you guys think? So do I recommend the Lola bag or do I not? And my answer is no. Although she is a cute bag, I do believe that with this wool material mixed in with friction, it causes way too much piling and thus makes the bag look used. Instead, I would recommend getting a bag that's made out of a canvas material. That way, there is much more durability. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!